Welcome to the Super Thursday recap from 25 of February, where we talked about computational design. So we're going to use generative components in OpenRoads and also in OpenRail. What you're doing is create a new file, 3D, referencing in your design and create another geometry. So there are a lot of ways. This is one way. So basically where we start here is creating a coordinate system, which is exactly on the 0.0 from our design file. Secondly, we're going to place 2 points, which is going to be our range. So on the left side, you see the node types. So this is a matter of taking it and dragging it into the right side. So you create a graphical area here, and now you have to wire yeah, the blocks basically. So here I'm going to create a range. So again, there are a lot of ways to do it. This is one way. So I'm going to rotate this model, and now you see the point which has been added. So now we're going to create a box, so we can use the geometry inside of this box. So that's the first step basically. First is coordinate system and then create a range. Now we're going to define which elements we want to use. So here you see different options. We want to take the elements from the range. So in this example, it's polylines. You create a wire. So basically you're saying from the box, from the range, look into all the elements which are polylines. Once you have done that, you can define which elements it needs to search for. So you can create a filter. So you click on the little arrow, and there you can set the filter. So what you can do is check what is the level description. So select it, go to the properties, and select it. So it will open the properties, so you can double check it here. So because I did first the box, it's recognized already. So now I'm here. I've got the TL hinge. So what I can do is enter here, copy and paste basically. That's the easiest way to do it, and paste it there. So when you click on the pin option, it will be added in the box as well. So that's what you see right here. So now you see clearly that's the level which we are looking for. You can add multiple levels if you want, of course. So the wires there, when it comes with a symbol, there's a message which you have to do something to correct it. But now it looks all fine. So now we want to place points on on the lines basically. So we are going to create another coordinate system basically, or coordinates. We are going to create coordinates. So we can drag it in from the left to the right and then say use the complex elements which we used, and then you can set the spacing. So the spacing is going to create a plane basically for us all the time, or coordinate system. So you can set the spacing to whatever you want. If you want to create sleepers or like in this case street lighting, you can set the spacing anytime, change it. So in the background, there's a script running, so you can also change it there. So now we want to create or place some cells, so a symbol basically in 3D. Use the points which are generated. I know you can attach a cell library. The cell library, you can take anything you want. In this example, it's obvious we want to create 3D graphics, so use a 3D library, attach it, and then enter the name of the cell or the block which you have, and then it will appear here. So now the interesting question: what is when the design is going to change here? So let's go back, and we're going to change our design. So there can be someone else, isn't it? Like the road designer or the track designer. Once we change the alignment, all the related geometry should be updated. So that's there. Now we go back to our design and our computational design, and we can check it here. So the references are modified, so we can update the references. So that's pretty obvious. The design is changed, so we can say here update the model. Basically, that's it. And now it's going to yeah, update the model based on the graphical input which we created. So that's you can change anything later on. You can export into a script if you want, change it from there, or use Excel. There are a lot of options to do. So that's a kickoff. For now, want to thank you for watching and hope to see you soon again. Bye bye.